Have your curls been looking a bit too much like this and ending up like this? Okay guys, I put my product in. I talked about using this. I thought my camera was recording, but anyway, I put whatever your favorite product is in. This is a curl jelly, Umberto Giannini. And there's a difference between gels and jellies, as we discussed when I reviewed this. And you guys said it too, like, yeah, it's totally different than like a cream. But what I like about jellies is it's kind of like having a cream and a gel together, because you get the look of the gel without the stiffy, hard look, and it feels soft. I don't know. I find that like jellies, I use curls, Blueberry Bliss, love that. But Umberto Giannini has a cream apparently for curls, so I'm gonna have to try that out. So I was saying that when I put the product in, I put it in and scrunched up. If you need to see that in more detail, I have a lot of videos on that, but I thought I was filming, guys. So basically I just have a lot of the product in. I don't want to ruin my curls now, but I put the product in. I used to shake and rake, put my fingers through my hair, just show you. Put my fingers through my hair, rake it, shake it, and scrunch. Now, like I kind of rake it as I'm doing it, but you don't have to really rake. I'm just like scrunching it. I basically just scrunch so that the curls look like this. And if your curls don't look like that, you have to put a product in. Don't blow dry yet. Make sure you get the curls to look like that. Maybe you need more product. You could start all over again by you're not going to ruin it if you did it and then redo it. I do it all the time. I'll do it now. I didn't want to, but I will. Here, see? It's fine. It's fine. Now, of course, a diffuser is really key to getting less frizzy curls. And it's because it distributes the air and it's not like blowing so harsh on your head. I assume that if you're here, you have a diffuser. Any diffuser will do. They're all the same pretty much. It's air. Don't worry if you don't have an expensive diffuser. You'll be fine if you don't have one like this. Some people will say, don't put heat to your hair. I always use heat. I'm not using, this has 3 settings, cold, medium, and hot. And I'm going to the medium. So I'm not going very hot, and the only reason mostly is because I don't want to burn my head. This does get hot, so I usually always keep it on but it's definitely going to be warm. I think the main thing that you must focus on here is don't touch the hair and don't move around. If you could just do those 2 things, you're going to have great curls. Don't touch it until it's completely dry with your hands, and don't keep moving it around. Just hang out. Go on your phone. That's the beauty of having curls. You don't have to like work so hard with a brush and sweat so much. You can meditate. I like literally meditate sometimes. Okay, so I set the bottom, and now those should stay like that. See that? Now we're going to dry the rest of the hair because it's nowhere near done. And there you have nicely defined curl. You saw my before. If your hair looks like that, your hair can look like this. I never thought I'd have curls like this. I never did. Even when I started to embrace my curls, it still wasn't curly. It was just the way that our hair looked back then in the 80s and 90s. Really the 90s, I should say. Okay guys, I hope you learned something from this video, that you have beautiful hair and embrace it. Try these techniques and you will have nice curls. I mean, I'm telling you, I have the worst hair. I have frizzy, coarse, dry, blah. But a little extra care and a little extra products and a diffuser, you could style your curls like this. So I'm gonna go, and I will see you guys in the next video.